What's up guys, it's Haley and today I'm going to be using the double ceramic Conair triple barrel waver. I've used this before and my curls came out amazing, so let's see if I'm able to achieve that look again for you. So this is the tool, the triple barrel waver by Conair. I got this at Walmart for $23, not bad at all. And right now my hair is dirty. I think it's better to do curls in your hair when it's dirty, especially if you have very stick straight hair, which I do. So that's why it's dirty, but no fear, we have our dry shampoo on deck and we are gonna get this going. Let me just plug it in and I'll be right back. All right, so I got this bad boy plugged in. As you can see here, it has an on and off button, and then up here it says turbo. I'm not sure what that means, but I went ahead and turned it on. It also gives you an option to go from numbers 1 through 30. I went to 30, which is the highest. It has a little stand here, and it just opens up like this. So I'm gonna let that get hot. And while it does, I'm going to go ahead and spray this Batiste in my hair. I think that's how you pronounce it, Batiste. It is instant hair refreshing dry shampoo in the scent coconut and exotic tropical. So here it is again. Little helpful tip, I get mine at Marshall's for $7. The smaller container of this is alone $7 at Walmart or H-E-B, so go to Marshall's and get yours, girl. So like I mentioned, my hair is dirty. It's better to do curls with dirty hair. So we're just gonna go ahead and take down this mess right here. And what I'm going to do is start spraying the dry shampoo from the bottom and work my way up. And I'm gonna let it sit there. Then I will go ahead and rub it in and then brush it out. So again, if you do have stick straight hair like me, it's best to do this with dirty hair and then just use your dry shampoo to give it like that volume and to soak up that oil if you do get oil like I do. So I'm just gonna put it in every layer. Am I putting a lot? Yes, I am. Because I plan to curl my hair and leave it like this for another day, and then I will go ahead and wash it. I also have highlights, which is another reason why it's not good to do this with your hair dirty. I mean, with your hair wet or freshly washed. You don't want it to fry that part of your hair that's been bleached or colored or whatever. So as you can see, I've just been sectioning it. And yes, it's completely white right now, but do not worry. I will take care of that. So I'm just gonna let my hair sit for a few minutes with this stuff in it. I need more right here. And yes, like I said, this is looking super crazy and white, but I will rub it all in. So again, this is the Batiste spray. That is the scent I use. It's the best one other than the leopard one. That one's really good too. So we're just gonna let it sit here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it all in. So starting from the bottom, I'm literally just going like this all over my head and making sure it's all rubbed in. Shaking it out. If you do this right away, like the rubbing it in, it's not gonna work as well. So make sure you do give it some time to absorb all that oil. By the way, wow, cute. By the way, I just did my makeup on another video, so make sure y'all go check that out and give it a like. I have a little boutique like I mentioned in the other video. It's nothing big, by the way. It's just starting off, but I'm trying really hard to make it something big and great. So I do my own little photo shoots of myself with the clothing that I'm selling. So that's what I'm doing today, is a photo shoot of 3 tops that I need to put on my Instagram page. I thought it would be fun to start this YouTube channel and just help other girls, you know, with their beauty and their goals and their dreams, because I watch so many YouTubers that I look up to, and I know that no, I may not be famous, no, I may not have tons of followers on Instagram, but you know, there is somebody out there that will come across my page, and I'm just hoping to help one person or a few people with being confident and with their, you know, dreams and goals, like I said, because I think we all need that one person that we can look up to, you know, especially if they're not famous or crazy famous or have crazy amount of followers or something like that, you know, just a normal person who's just trying as hard as you are to be great in life. There is my little rant for the day. So as I am just letting this marinate in my hair, I'm going to section off more pieces from the back here, because I feel like this is where all, like, the majority of the oil will stay, and I don't want this part of my hair to be like flat. So I am putting more product here on the crown of my head. I go through these pretty often. Oops, I messed up. I went way too soon. This brand also has like dry shampoo that has pigment in it, like color. They have blonde, they have brunette, they have black, I believe, too. So if you do have like hair that's not bleached that it would easily blend in with, then that would work for you too. Okay, I think we're good to go. We have all the volume, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. Just gonna grab a scrunchie here. We're gonna start at the very bottom and work our way up. Okay, and I'm not, like, as you can see, it's like half of my hair, so not from the very bottom, I'm sorry. So it's like half of my hair that we're starting with, because you can take really big chunks of hair when doing this hairstyle, which is awesome. It takes me like 20 minutes. If I were to do this with a wand, it would take forever, because although my hair is not super thick, it is, like, I do have a lot of hair, it's just not thick hair. Does that make sense? So you're just going to, let me move this little stand. Just gonna grab your barrels like this. I count to 10, and then I release, and I'm just gonna grab the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you go. And you can leave the bottom straight. That's what a lot of people do. I did not mean to leave mine straight. I don't like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So this piece is done. You see how much hair that was? Now I'm gonna go in with this section. Oh, okay, I guess not the whole section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the really awesome thing about this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I say as I go back in to redo a piece. Okay, so this side's done. Now this piece back here is from the back, so that's why. The back is definitely harder to do. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so I have this done. Once I get to the top, I will come back. Alright guys, so I've completed my entire head from my crown down. Now I thought I'd come back and show you how I section off the top of my hair. So this is what I have left, just this top piece. And I'm going to start by getting the back. Right here, this back corner. I'm going to leave it out, put my hair back up. Oh, that's real cute. Okay, and now I'm going to brush it out. Now I'm going to brush it back. Oh, you can't see. Okay, I'm brushing it back right here. I'm gonna hold it like this with my brush, and with my waver, I'm gonna go ahead and from the very bottom, clamp down, hold for 10 seconds. Release and go up. Hold for another 10 seconds. Release and go up. Now the rest I can do here. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release and drop down. Look how pretty those waves are. Now I'm just going to grab the very bottom and do it here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. It's getting a lot fuller. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this back section. Here we go. I'm going to brush through it. Grab my waver and clamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now this is all I have left. I'm gonna go from the back again, get this middle section. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So doing it that way gives, you see all that volume that my hair is going to have in the back now because I did it that certain way. So now I'm going to keep on doing that. Grab this big chunk and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna hold this for 15 seconds. I just remembered I forgot to put a heat protectant spray. Oh well. That'll be for next time. Whoops. I guess I won't be holding for 15 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to be doing this part. See, when you do different sections to different areas of your hair, it just gives it like that much more volume and makes it look natural because not everything's going one way. So this side I'll go ahead and do to the side, that way it's not falling in my face like the other side. Now we're all done. Now I just need to figure out how I want it to be styled. Do I want it in the center? I kind of regret doing that to the front because now it's in my face. It's gonna drive me insane. But it does give like more of a natural look. So that is the finished look. Now you can like toss it around. Oops. You can like toss it around. And it looks pretty natural to me. I don't know about y'all. But again, that is the Conair styling tool. Yes. Award-winning. Just kidding. No, but it's really good. Especially for the price. You can totally like spray some hairspray on your hair to make it last longer, but mine really does last all freaking day and night. All you have to do is make sure that you curl it with dirty hair and use your dry shampoo. But that is it, guys. I hope you, whoever did watch this, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I was able to let you know about this amazing product that you hadn't known before. Not product, this amazing tool that you hadn't known about before. So if you did find it helpful, make sure to subscribe and give me a like and a comment, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.